Hey, Eric Cairo here again, poolside here on the Lido deck, and today what we're talking about is the difference between owning a business and having the business own you. Now, most entrepreneurs dream of having their own business so they can call all the shots. They decide how much money they want to make and when and where you want to work. But the reality is, if you're not smart about the system you use to make money, you can easily end up having the business own you, and essentially you're going to end up with a glorified job. So, how do people fall into this trap of just owning a glorified job? Well, really there's three basic pitfalls in this situation. And the first is they're trying to be the jack of all trades. You can't run a successful business while you're doing the work of the bookkeeper, the marketing department, the janitor, the salesperson, the secretary, the support person, web designer, and on and on and on. It's simply not possible. Now, how this is what happens to a lot of people, they think, well, I'm going to outsource. I'm going to hire somebody in the future, but right now I can't afford it. But here's the bottom line. If you're trying to be the jack of all trades, you're going to drown, especially on the internet. You've got to learn how to delegate and how to spend your time only on the things that build your business. The second pitfall is never taking any time off. Now, getting a business off the ground, you don't have to tell me, it's a lot of work. But if you don't take a full 24 hours off at least once a week, you're going to get burnt out. You'll forget why you even started the business in the first place, and you're going to be ready to throw in the towel before you make your first dime. So please, I know you're hardworking, but please do yourself a favor. At least once a week, take a full 24 hours off. What you're going to find is when you go back to work the next day, you're going to be that much more productive, you're going to have juice, you're going to have energy, and it's going to make building your business that much easier. Now, the third pitfall is, for some reason, everyone tries to reinvent the wheel. Now, we have a tendency to get distracted by new ideas and the latest and greatest in different marketing tools. There's no need to try and figure all this stuff out for yourself, okay? You can leverage the knowledge and success of other people and of other systems. This is what working smart is all about. It's all about leverage. Like I said, getting a business off the ground is a lot of work, okay? If you do it the hard way. You could probably tell by now that doing it the hard way is really not my thing. I work smart, and I use a system that provides a ton of leverage so that I can go hang out, enjoy my days at the beach, by the pool, whatever it is that I feel like doing. And you deserve the same. So if you're ready to own a business as opposed to having the business own you, I want you to head on over to ericcairo.com. It's Eric with a K, Cairo, just like the city. There's a short form to fill out. It'll give you immediate access to a private business overview where you can examine the exact same system that I use to work smart. All right, that's it. Work's over for the day. I'm going to go jump in the pool, and I'll see you guys later.